Service pa rin yung naghihiray na lang ang 22 na ako. Hindi makakalala. Yung kadadaan, hindi dito.
Okay! Pasok na po ang first five ng two teams. At i-stop na po natin ang warm-up. So, this is it. To qualify for the championship game, naghihintay na po ang 22 Marso.
Ang papasok dito, makakalaban ng 22.
Hello, Miguel! Paki, at ikaw lang ang nakakahawak ng ating shot clock. Rep, pakikuha na po ng ating bola.
Pakitawag po kay Carlo Miguel.
Para Rep, pakikitaw. Ayan na, ayan na. So, inagaw muna namin sa girlfriend ni Carlos. Dahil kailangan talaga namin din eh.
Coach, congrats. Si Coach Chester ang 22 Marso.
Tingnan natin kung sino makakaharap ng 22 Marso.
Waiting na lang.
Ang defending champion, naghihintay. It's either
Coach, ano masasabi
Yolo
mo?
o
Defending champion.
Milan o
Chester.
Darat from Bologna.
Very successful si Coach Chester talaga.
Pasok na po!
Pasok na po ang first five.
Basta walang masaktan.
Balikan ni Kuya Eric.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Rep.
Champion. Champion kasi.
Ixiano.
Lahat naman tayo dun, champion.
Wala, panalo. Basta walang masasaktan.
Importante walang managpipila yung sa player. Okay na ako.
Walang nananakit. Enjoy lang. Ito na. Milano kontra Bologna.
Pwede na mag-insurance ang 22 Marso. Nasa pinale. Mini euro na premyo. Yung gusto mag-insurance, pwede ibigay na namin. 500. First ball! Yolo ang unang nakabola. Number 28. Espiritu. To number 7. Back to Pigoy. Number 10. Number 22.
Nice one! Nice one!
Nice! Zigzagging right by number 8, Rosa. First 2 points of the ball game. Intercepted by Cruzan to Pigoy. Number 3, Pigoy to number 7. Back to Pigoy. Pisoy, sorry. Pisoy. No good. Number 7. Pass to Cruzan. Umigo. Back to back shot by Cruzan number 8.
Mismatch eh.
Trampas! Reverse! Wala! Balon mo na nilang! Cheo Pisco! Foul on number 3! Aspeta! Number 8 yan tayo kanina. Number 8 ka kanina. 3 pare.
Waiting po.
Apelyedo.
22 Marso.
Torres. Okay, Trubato.
Mananalo dito.
Running time po tayo.
Defending champion.
Wala po tayong magagawa. Huwag niyo po may pagtuturo ang oras. At ang oras ay hawak namin. Maglaro lang po kayo. Rebound! Number 7, Blunder! Nagod! Bala po ng rebound! Number 22, Cruzas! To the cutting man! Number 21! Number 22, Cruzas! Slightly block! Number 79 to number 14! Number 14! Wala! Number 22 to Pisoy! Espiritu! Number 20. 10 to shoot! No good! Reset.
Nice one! Pass!
Nice shot! Palitan po tayo. Number 13,
Boss, good luck next
out. Number 9, in.
Pwede na line up to.
Mahina po mga line-up na.
May mga sayang sila.
Wala rin si Makibol.
Rosa. Almost intercepted by number 3. Pisoy. Looking for.
So, pag ano man, babawin next year.
Oo.
Basta ayusin next year ang line.
Espiritu. Drop pass. Extra step. Basket.
Patay, likod! Patay, likod! No, no, no!
Ingat, ingat.
No, no, likod, likod.
Kaya.
Kaya. Likod, boys!
Natuhuran sa likod.
Okay, okay lang.
Mainit ang laban. Makbakan. Bali 3-0 po ang 22 Marso.
Announcement po, baka merong nakakakuha ng bail sa Spogliatorio Uno.
3-0.
May naghahanap lang po, may nakaiwan.
3-0, 22. Pasok
Bail.
sila sa semis.
Bail na may kasamang music. 50 euro. No, walang kasama pong pera. Okay! Oh, yun! Gracias! Nakita na!
Hinipak kulay bago ibigay. Hinipak kulay bago ibigay.
Sino yun?
Orense. Lays up, no good. Follows up, no good by number 9. Number 22. There's a foul. Follow numero 25. Number 22 for 3. Yes. Espiritu. 3. Number 79. Number 9. Biles. No. Number 21 to number 22 to number 1. Biles using the glass. Yes.
Boys, score play!
Number 14. Number 9. Fakes.
Foul.
There's a foul. Cambio.
Ang mananalo rito, makakalaban ng 22 Marso sa finals. Defending champions ang 22 from Milan.
Orense. Yes.
Nice follow-up by Orense. Ito na.
Foul.
Sige.
Pero risky rin yun. Minsan, traveling yung konting galaw ito. Ayan, bro, ano? Espiritu yung bounding the ball.
Number 8. Cruzat. Number 3. Number 3.
Ang depensa ng Yolo.
Number 1. Number 21. Number 7. Same basketball. 4 to shoot.
4 seconds.
4 seconds to shoot. Cruzat. For 3. Shotgun violation. Number 11. Orense, number 14. Orense. No look pass. Cruzat. Pass to Espiritu number 22 to number 3, easy to. Number 3.
Tapos 43 viewers na nanonood ngayon sa Milan.
Number 11.
Bologna.
For 3, no. Orense.
Berto!
To number 3, Torres. Number 11, Diaz. Bounce pass to number 9, no. Rebound by number 21. To number 3, Pisoy. Espiritu. Cruzan. Number 1, no. Rebound by number 3, Torres.
Laking player ni Berto.
To number 8, number 11, for 3, no. Rebound by number 22. There's a foul. Foul numero 8. Cambio, Bianco. Warning for penalty.
Pati ang finals
40 foul by Team Yolo.
napagkasundan po na 4 quarters. Lalo na.
Break. Intercepted by number 8. Number 8 dribbling the ball. Number 8. Pass to number 3. Torres for 3. No. Rebound by number 21. To number 22. Espiritu. Number 21. Number 27. Yes, 2 points.
22. 2 minutes remaining first half.
Number 11. Intercepted. Intercepted by number 11, Diaz. Diaz. Fadeaway shot. There's a foul. No good, but there's a foul. Foul numero 10. 2 shots by number 11. Cambio, Bianco.
Shoutout sa mga commentators natin. Nanonood ngayon sa bahay.
Yes. Yes, number 2. Number 22. Number 27. Rebound by Torres to number 8. Number 8. Torres. Number 9. Number 8 for 3. No, rebound by number 27. But there's a foul.
Wow!
Numero 9. Cambio Bianco. Paano numero 9? Bonus, bonus.
Two shots for Siaka.
First attempt by number 27. Yes. Second. Yes, by number 27. Number 8. Torres. Orense.
Yes, ang galing na bata.
Fires no good. Intercepted by Orense. Orense. Fires, wala pa rin. Orense pa rin ang bola. No good, but there's a foul. Foul numero 15. 2 shot Orense. Number 14.
Ayaw maglalaro ni Berto.
First attempt.
Renzel, 2 shots.
Ayaw mo na.
Yes.
Tol. Wala sa isip niya.
2 shot.
Second attempt, Orense. Yes. 2 for 2. Number 1. Number 27. Number 27. Mid-range shot. Dating back net. Orense. Torres for 3. No. Number 10. Blocked by Torres. Same basketball. Number 27, traveling violation.
Seconds, first up.
Pass for 3. Yes, number 3. Same basketball.
4 seconds remaining. First up.
Last 4.5 seconds.
Tira!
2 seconds. Fires, block. End of the first frame. The score, 21-9. Favor of Bologna, Tarat. Music maestro.
Nangyari kay Lenos Reyes tol na Piles ba? Andre to. Siya nagmaneho. Okay, second half tayo. Travis to.
Torres, 72 Marso. Yes, by number 11. Okay, 10-point lead by Team Tarat. No good, but there's a foul. Foul numero 14. Orense. First personal foul. First team foul. First attempt, no. For second attempt, no good again. Rebound by number 8. Number 14. Kick and pass. Number 11, mid-range shot. No. Rebound by number 27. To number 10. Fires. No.
Same ball.
White basketball. Number 10. Orense. No good, but there's a foul. Palo numero 10. Second personal foul by number 10. First attempt, Orense. No. Second attempt, no.
Second chance.
Number 8 to number 11. Diaz to number 8. Same basketball. 11 to shoot. Intercepted. Number 18. Number 10. Floaters. Yes, lucky bounce. Bulanas. Torres. Number 8. Orense. There's a foul. Palo Numero 12.
Tempo.
Second team foul by Team Darat. Same basketball again.
Wala.
Yes! By number 10. Number 8. Darat ball. Number 1. Number 27. Wow, what a nice crossover. Number 18.
Pero kung ayaw ito mo lang, anong gagawa mo? Parang nagpalamuti na sa loob. Tanga lang. Ayaw tulungan kasama niya. Gusto lang tumira. Dahil tawa yung rumikon.
Cambio.
May saging sa taas yan siguro gaganahan niya.
Number 14, second personal foul. And second team foul, Team Yulon. Number 27. 6-second pass to number 18. Pinch drive pass to number 1. Short. Given by Torres. Cambio. Number 11. Torres. Number 13 to number 8 to number 11. Torres, number 11, for 3, no, rebound by number 12 to number 10, and scores that to number 10, dribbling the ball, number 27, yes.
Aksiaga, 10 points. Pull up Jay off the dribble.
Fires no good. Rebound by number 12. Foul numero 13. Number 10. Number 12, Sese fires. No good, rebound by number 13. Pass to number 79, Melissa. No good. Blocked by number 27. Orese, pinch fires using the glass. Yes. Last 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Last touch by number 18. Orense. Bianco.
Labas yun na si Tita.
Number 10. Foul, number 14, Orense. Third personal foul, Orense. Warning. Warning for penalty. Pass for 3 by number 10. No good. Follows up by number 18. What a nice putback by number 18. Torres. Torres, no. Number 27. Pass to number 10. Number 10. To number 27. Number 27. Intercepted by Torres. Bounce pass to number 11. Easy layup. Easy two.
Dahil kay RB.
Number 27. Peredo.
Hindi ka ba sasabay sa
Peredo. Bounce pass. Number 18 fires. No.
RB,
Number 1. De La Cruz. Number 27. Intercepted by number 13. To Torres. To number 11. Easy to again by number 11.
Sabay niyo na si RB.
Time out. Dagat.
Ano ba nani?
Oy, 2 minutes na. Change.
Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds before the end of the game. The semi-final game by Team Darat and Team Euro.
May third and fourth pa doon, no?
White ball.
Wala na.
Wala din naman premium.
Ng premium.
Number 1, De La Cruz. Number 1, there's a foul. Numero, last 2 minutes. Odici, last 2 minutes. Bonus, bonus. First attempt by number 1, no.
Ato po kay Eric.
Okay.
Second attempt. Yes. 1 out of 2. Fires for 3, no. Rebound by number 18.
Mas mahirap ito. Maglalaro na kasi nakakita.
Number 27, bounce pass to number 1. To number 10. Number 27. Number 18. Yes. Number 18. 3. Number 11. Easy 2. Number 1 to number 10. Number 10. There's a foul. Numero 25, pushing foul. Bonus. Red set.
So, shout out. Nanood si daddy mo. Si Christian Dave Balat.
First attempt by number 10. No good. Second attempt. No good. Impressive rebound by number 12 to number 27. Number 18. No good. What did dalawa pa rin na nakakuha ng bola. A small but 10 bola. De La Cruz. Sesek. Back to number 1. Number 27. Number 10. Shot clock violation.
41 seconds remaining. Ang mananalo dito.
Number 11.
22 marks
Diaz
sa final.
zigzagging. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Sesek. To number 1. De La Cruz. To number 10. To number 1. Intercepted by number 25 to number 11. Back to number 25. Wala ka rin. Yes, put back by number 25. Intercepted by Torres. Number 27 to number 12.
Congratulations sa Team Darat. Pasok na
Pasok.
sa finals kalaban ng 22 Marso. 22 Marso ang
Pausa po
kalaban
tayo.
ng Team Darat. Parehong undefeated.
Okay. Ang finals po natin ay Bologna Darat versus 22 Marzo, Milano. Dahil kapapaglaro lang po ng Dara, ibigyan po natin ng 15 minutes break time at meron po tayong intermission number.
Okay, update ko lang kayo. Ang magtatapat sa finals, Team Darat versus 22 Marzo. Another rematch na naman yan. Shoutout kay Sir Mark Tulyao na nanonood ngayon. Shoutout sa Farini Milan. Ang next game, 22 Marzo versus Darat Bologna, the finals. Abangan nyo lang ang live ko mamaya. Shoutout